So let's get started with this third chapter of Maths 2A, that is quadratic expressions. Okay, so a polynomial of the form f of x equals ax square plus bx plus c, where a is not equal to 0, is called as a quadratic expression. So any equation of the form ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 is called as a quadratic expression. Okay. And a polynomial or else any equation of the form ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 is called a quadratic equation. So you understood the difference between expression and equation. When you have is equal to 0, it is an equation. When you don't have is equal to 0, if you simply have ax square plus bx plus c, that is called as a quadratic expression. Okay, now suppose ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. This is the equation given to you. Now how to find out the value of x? Finding the value of x in this chapter is known as root of x or root of f of x. Okay, so values of x are called as roots. So how do you find out the roots if suppose alpha and beta are the roots? Then x is equal to minus b plus or minus root over b square minus 4ac by 2a. Okay, now based on the value of this under root part, that is b square minus 4ac, we can say the nature of the roots. So that is called as discriminant. Discriminant is denoted by d or delta and its value is b square minus 4ac. If discriminant is equal to 0, then roots are real and equal. If discriminant is greater than 0, then roots are real and distinct. Distinct means you get two different roots. And if d is less than 0, then roots are imaginary. So with these concepts, let's get started with the problems. We'll do some VSAQs today. So take the first question. Find the roots of the following equation. Root 3x square plus 10x minus 8 root 3 equals to 0. So what is the given equation? Given equation is root 3x square plus 10x minus 8 root 3 is equal to 0. Now whenever an equation is given, we write ABC values. So A is coefficient of x square, that is root 3. B is coefficient of x, that is 10. And C is the constant term, that is minus 8 root 3. And now you see the question is find the roots. Roots means we need to find out the values of x. So because it is a quadratic equation means highest power of x is 2. So maximum you will get 2 roots. Okay. So how to find out the roots? We have a formula that is called as quadratic formula. So minus b plus or minus root over b square minus 4ac by 2a. That is minus 10. Now we substitute it. Root over 100 minus 4 into root 3 into minus 8 root 3 by 2a, that is 2 root 3. That is minus 10 plus or minus root over 100. Minus into minus is plus. 4 into 8 is 32. Root 3 into root 3 is 3. So 32 into 3 is 96. So this becomes 96. Understood how I multiplied 4 root 3 and 8 root 3? 4 8s are 32. Root 3 into root 3 is 3. So 32 into 3 is 96 by 2 root 3. Now how to further simplify it? Minus 10 plus or minus root over minus 196 by 2 root 3. And we know that 196 is the root over 196 is 14. Because 14 into 14 makes 196 by 2 root 3. So once you should take plus, once you should take minus. So if we take plus, we get 4 by 2 root 3. And if we take minus, we get minus 24 by root 3. 2 ones are 2 twos are. And so this is 2 by root 3, comma. Wait a minute. Here you have 2 root 3, right? So that is minus 24 by 2 root 3. Now I can cancel 2 ones are 2 12s are. Minus 12 by root 3. Now I am multiplying and dividing by root 3. So root 3 into root 3 is 3. 3 fours are 12. So that is minus 4 root 3. This is the answer. Now take the next question. This is find the roots of the equation 6 root 5 x square minus 9x minus 3 root 5 equals to 0. So first we write the given equation. So given equation is 6 root 5 x square minus 9x minus 3 root 5 is equal to 0. From this equation we get ABC values. So A is 6 root 5, B is minus 9 and C is minus 3 root 5. Okay. So to find the roots of the equation, we need to apply quadratic formula. So what is quadratic formula? X is equal to minus b plus or minus root over b square minus 4ac by 2a. Now substitute. Minus of minus 9 will become 9 plus or minus root over 81 minus 4 into 6 root 5 into minus 3 root 5 by 2 into 6 root 5. So that is 9 plus or minus root over 81 minus into minus will become plus. 4 into 6 is 24. 24 into 3 is 72. 72 into root 5 is 5. So 72 into 5 is 360 by 12 root 5. So that is 9 plus or minus root over 360 plus 81 is 441 by 12 root 5. So that is 9 plus or minus 21 by 12 root 5. So once you take plus, once you take minus. So if I take plus, 9 plus 21 will become 30 by 12 root 5. And if I take minus, 9 minus 21 will become minus 12 by 12 root 5. 12 12 cancel. 2 15s are 2 6 are. So that is 15 by 6 root 5, comma 1 by root 5. Now again we can cancel by 3 table. 3 2s are 3 5s are. So that is 5 by 2 root 5. Again we rationalize root multiplying and dividing by root 5 and the other root is 1 by root 5. Now root 5 into root 5 is 5. 5 and 5 get cancelled. So that is root 5 by 2 and minus, this is minus. So minus 1 by root 5 is another root. This is the final answer.